guys, mga mamshis. I bought this one. It's solar deck lights right here. Right over here. So it's like a solar light na nilalagay siya sa stairs. So I just got it today, this morning. So, oh, it turned on already. Mga mamshis right there. So this is how it looks like. So one box, there's like 4 pieces. And it comes with this sticky stuff that you put underneath it. I guess, underneath it. And then you put it on the stairs. So we're gonna put it in the solar, in the light right now, mga mamshis. So balikan natin siya later on. So bumukas na siya kanina, yung mga mamshis, bumukas na siya. Ayan. So tanggalin natin siya right there. Yan. Yan. Tapos may on and off siya dito, mamshis. So nakalagay off and on. I already put it on the one right there. So para mag-absorb siya ng light. So let's do this, mga mamshis. And I'll do a review kung maganda siya. Hopefully it'll last long. Right there. Maganda ang solar dito, mamshis, sa Vegas because yung araw dito, I bet you in the Philippines too. So 2 box ang binili ko. So if it's good, then we're gonna buy more. Like I said, maganda yung solar here sa Vegas because yung araw dito is really, really hot. So if you wanna save, you know, if you love lights, you could use this one. This is not sponsored, pero we'll see. We're doing a review for it. Okay? And on right there. Oh, try niya daw. Tanggalin. Sabi mo ko. Ayan. Ayan. There you go. Oh, ito tanggalin mo rin. Ayan, nagla-light na siya, mga mamshis. So, ganyan siya. So, I'm pretty sure mas maliwanag siya pag morning. Okay. So, make sure you turn it on. Okay, mga mamshis. Lagay na natin siya sa araw. So, maka-absorb na siya. And then, we're gonna set it up sa stairs. Okay? Guys, look at the sun right here. Grabe. So, we're gonna put it here para mag-absorb muna siya ng light. Tinutulungan ako ng anak ko right there. So, yan. Lagay lang natin siya. And then, later, pag okay na siya, ilalagay natin siya sa stairs. Ayan. Already, balikan natin siya later. Mamshis. Ganyan ang itsura niya. I put it right on our stairs, which is really, really nice. So, try nyo na. Thank you for watching, everyone.
Thank you all for watching this here video.